How can I get back my recently deleted highlights in Instagram? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now when you go to your highlights, now tap on three dots at the bottom right corner. Now tap on remove. Again tap on remove. Now to find the deleted highlights, tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply tap on archive. Now find the highlight you recently deleted. Tap on the highlight. Again tap on highlight at the bottom right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.